In today's rapidly evolving digital world, a new paradigm is emerging: AI agents. But what are they? And could they redefine or even replace traditional software as a service, or SaaS? AI agents are autonomous, AI-powered software systems capable of performing tasks, making decisions, and interacting with environments with minimal human input. Unlike traditional SaaS applications that require user interaction for specific functions, AI agents can operate independently, learning and adapting to optimize processes and outcomes. Microsoft has long been a leader in the AI space, and its recent launch of autonomous AI agents through Copilot Studio is set to redefine how businesses leverage artificial intelligence. These AI agents are not your average bots. They're designed to learn, adapt, and operate independently, taking on tasks that were previously thought to require human oversight. On the other hand, AI SaaS tools, where artificial intelligence
AI agents is it's the same thing. It's the name is getting changed, so they're like RPA, autonomous acts. Those are AI agents. Anything autonomous. AI agents are not uh killing SaaS. They're just taking on the role that they're initially supposed to take, which is to automate tasks that really don't need human feel, more tedious tasks. So like if a person has to always sign in a patient, make sure they fill out a form and everything, all you have to do is automate that task, giving it a digital sheet, let them fill it out. And for example, let's say there's some sensitive data that you're not trying to save or store into the database, or say some sensitive data that you're trying to dish out to specific doctors or physicians, whatever the case, for example. Now, with that data that the patient filled out, you can have it automated to where if it needs like human review, you pass it through a person in HR, or if it could just go straight to the physician or doctor, you pass it straight to the physician or doctor. So you're removing a lot of the human tasks that would be tedious, but you're not removing the tedious tasks because it still needs like a human feel in it. It's just for like things that need to be escalated, maybe sensitive information, something that needs to be reviewed by a human. If not, you could automate it. That is just making more sense day by day as technology grows because you have to scale some of these autonomous products. So uh, is it taking over software as a service? No, it's just making the software have less constraints when it comes to like humans being involved. You can make a one-man SaaS team. That's just the reality of it. You can automate a lot of things.
algorithms give life to automation features are reshaping the cloud market. Is agents are taking over SaaS. What are Microsoft AI agents? Here is an exciting tour video that showcases the powerful capabilities of Microsoft AI agents and explain them with real-world scenarios.
If you're a web designer, here are
Mm,
You should think of Copilot as the UI for AI. You can extend Copilot with any agent you build. These agents are really grounded in a rich set of data sources, starting with, in fact, the database that
See, in fact, what complicates agents is AI. You know what I mean? Because AI is a language model and it can be an agent, right? You just have to know how to automate that task for an AI. Like if it's a tedious task, incorporating AI may not be as useful as just using the tools to automate that specific task. So AI integration with autonomous work is like still in the works, which is why agents and everything doesn't really have a solid foundation. We have autonomous work and tools already used in business enterprises and stuff. Now, is it good with AI? Not the best, just being honest. AI and automation isn't the best, but that's because you can't mix doing tedious tasks with regurgitate or generating something for the business model to do. Like you can't generate something that's already systematically being done. So AI and automation haven't really meshed together well unless your business model merits it. So Copilot is bad. You know what I mean? But for most people, they might have a use case under the whole umbrella of Microsoft to use Copilot. Like it may be a good agent for them.
That contains all your office information. Who are my colleagues on this project? What documents are there related to a particular team or a project? What is the relationships between all of these documents and people and projects? We are taking the next big step in the AI platform with the announcement around autonomous agents that you can create.
Now for McKinsey, client experience is literally everything. An email comes in and the agent springs into action. It will begin to parse out the email, moving through the ambiguity of human language to find out what the engagement's about, to check the engagement history, to also map it to their industry standard terms, to try and
So
find.
you see something like this. That's a regular automation. Like it's RPA, right? Right. Robotics automation. Yeah, robotics process automation is definitely something that can be processed. Like you can use this process right here just to automate whatever system your business is going through without AI. Like this does not need any artificial intelligence. You don't need Copilot for this. You don't need anything. You just need the IDE that it would need to be made on, which is probably UTIP or whatever IDE that Microsoft uses for autonomous programming or making your robot, right? That's what they'll call it in this sense because it's a RPA or program. But this right here, incoming emails, you could do way more, but it doesn't have to just be emails. It could be something as big as like making sure all the information is properly stored in the right files and you just parse it through and you have the system set up for it to do that. And then at the end of the system, if you want to incorporate an AI to make sure that all the files are readable and stuff, that's something after the system is made, like you can incorporate it. But like this right here, where you see him doing the incoming agent and stuff, you don't need Copilot or any form of AI to do that. That's a regular like process of automation.
Find the right person to take the next step within the firm. You can set it to look for events across a whole wide range of systems, sitting there working for you 24/7. We can see that it's worked on over 1,300 engagements, and there are 33 in progress. McKinsey in its trials has shown that it can reduce lead time by 90%, reducing administrative overhead by 30%. What we envision is an orchestration layer, just a bunch of agents that can be out there helping individuals, teams, and entire functions to streamline and automate their processes, no matter what industry they're in. You design and set these copilots out to work in Copilot Studio. You interact with them in Copilot.
Microsoft CEO Satya Nadella predicts that agents will take over. So as he says no more SaaS in the future, as he says SaaS is a UI on top of the database, so agents can work on it and make things more easier. Traditional SaaS platforms offer cloud-based solutions accessible via the internet, providing scalability and cost-effectiveness. However, they often require manual navigation across multiple applications. AI agents, in contrast, can automate complex tasks across various platforms, potentially streamlining operations and enhancing user experience. Now let's talk about AI in SaaS, how AI is transforming the SaaS landscape. While Microsoft is a prominent player in integrating AI into its SaaS offerings like Microsoft Copilot, other tech giants and startups are also pushing innovation. Google is leveraging AI in its workspace products. Salesforce introduced Einstein for intelligent CRM insights, and smaller companies are developing niche AI SaaS solutions for industries like healthcare, finance, and logistics. The integration of AI in SaaS is not just a trend, but a paradigm shift, enabling features like natural language processing, real-time data analysis, and autonomous systems. This shift is redefining how businesses interact with software, emphasizing efficiency, adaptability, and scalability.
You want to learn new data skills because your job.
Key takeaways. More SaaS businesses adopt AI. The AI SaaS market, valued at $71.54 billion in 2024, is projected to reach $775.44 billion by 2031, growing at a CAGR of 38.28%. 34% of SaaS companies report improved efficiency and productivity after leveraging AI. AI in SaaS offers benefits beyond automation, including scalability, customer retention, and cost efficiency, making it a profitable choice for businesses of any size. AI technology enhances products, improves customer experiences, drives database decisions, and automates tasks. This contributed to the market's surge to over $184 billion in 2024, a $50 billion increase from the previous year. In fact, 67% of SaaS businesses use AI to enhance their value offering, with 30,000 plus SaaS companies catering to millions of users worldwide. With the SaaS market expected to grow to $700 billion by 2030, companies embrace modern technologies to keep up with such powerful dynamics. With agents, everything is in one place, unlike SaaS, where we need different applications for different tasks. Agents allow you to handle it all seamlessly in one system. Let's explore how agents are taking over the SaaS market.
The pace of AI innovation this past year has been truly remarkable. But looking back, what stands out most is the incredible speed at which this technology has diffused. At Microsoft, it's never been about tech for tech's sake, but it's about translating innovation into real impact, one person, one organization, one community at a time. And throughout 2024, I've had the privilege of witnessing countless examples of this around the world. In Europe, cancer researchers are using an agent they built to automate administrative tasks so that they can focus more on what truly matters, their research. Manufacturers are addressing labor shortages by programming machinery with human language instead of programming language. And city employees are helping tourists experience one of the world's most ancient cities in an entirely new way. In Asia, aqua farmers are improving their fishing yields.
Yeah, most of the advancements is in how agriculture, health, and how we as people like do the same tedious task over and over and over and over again. So like robotics is gonna be a big thing, but like the hardware side is gonna be a bigger thing because robotics is two different things. One is software, one is hardware. Both completely different things. Yeah, let you know that right now.
And teachers are creating more engaging lesson plans in less time. In South Africa, a university has reduced the time it takes to enroll new students as they scale. In South America, researchers are now able to identify endangered species faster than ever as they race to preserve the rainforest. And entrepreneurs are helping people make healthier choices about what they eat. And in the United States, educators are finally turning the dream of a personal tutor into reality for everyone. Stories like these inspire me. They demonstrate what is possible when we amplify human achievement with technology. Because this era is not just about AI doing magical things, it's about how each of us can use AI to realize our potential.
And AI agents enable new functionalities in SaaS applications. In this scenario, AI agents are seamlessly integrated into the SaaS ecosystem, supercharging the capabilities, flexibility, and user experience of SaaS products. Let's see the pros and cons of AI agents. Data is the lifeblood of AI agents. However, large enterprises may hesitate to share sensitive data due to security, privacy, and compliance concerns. Trust in AI systems is crucial, and companies must weigh the benefits of AI integration against potential risks to data integrity and confidentiality. AI agents advance to the point where standalone SaaS platforms are no longer necessary. You don't use your mouse to navigate through an app and click on buttons and enter data. You just interact with software in natural language. You no longer need a front end, and no features are meant to be developed for humans. Pros of AI agents: enhanced efficiency and automation. AI agents can autonomously handle complex tasks, reducing manual intervention and increasing productivity.
You hear that? Manual intervention. Like that part that I was saying where like the RPA is like the autonomous task that's being taken. And it's like, let's say you have information that wants to get parsed through to the doctor. If you need more or needs more attention, you could give it to HR, right? But people want to use AI to maybe streamline that to only have HR involved, so it creates an extra layer before getting into the doctor. That's why it just depends on what operation you run, what type of model you have. But this portion of AI and RPA and having autonomous work, I just want to make sure you guys know it's separate. This is not like a one conjoined thing. And I know it's kind of confused to think like that because I used to think that it was conjoined. Nah, you get an autonomous task from an RPA, which could be considered like robotics in a way, but that's just who you are. It's just a robotic process automation. It's an automated task done over and over again. Once you have that automated task over and over and over again, then you can integrate AI with it so it could probably streamline something you'd want. So if you want to streamline more leads or streamline more people to go to HR, if there's more special needs or attention that needs human attention, or it's depending on your business, you know. But overall, AI and RPA is something that you don't need because is if you use it and it's not necessarily needed, you could throw off the whole automation system. At that, you could give out sensitive data. At that, you could get hacked. So there's a lot of security measures that could come along with AI. That's why a lot of companies tend to make sure that everything is integrated properly with their RPA before integrating AI or any other form of technology. Comprende?
Personalized user experiences. They tailor interactions based on individual user preferences, offering a customized experience. Scalability and flexibility. AI agents adapt to varying workloads and integrate seamlessly across platforms.
Here's why you can't manage your time.
Scalable solutions. Data-driven decision-making. By analyzing vast amounts of data in real time, AI agents offer actionable insights, enhancing decision-making processes. Cons of AI agents: technical challenges and reliability. Current AI agents may face issues like inaccuracies or hallucinations, leading to potential errors in task execution. Security and ethical concerns. Autonomous AI agents raise questions about data security, privacy, and ethical use, necessitating robust governance frameworks. Economic and employment impacts. Automation of tasks traditionally performed by humans could lead to job displacement, raising concerns about economic and social implications. Integration and transition challenges. Shifting from traditional SaaS to AI agent-driven models may require significant changes in infrastructure and processes. While AI agents offer promising advantages that could complement or enhance SaaS models, they are unlikely to completely replace traditional SaaS in the near future. The integration of AI agents presents both opportunities and challenges, and businesses should carefully consider these factors when evaluating their adoption. The digital landscape is on the cusp of transformation. Whether AI agents will replace SaaS remains to be seen, but their potential to revolutionize how we interact with technology is undeniable. If you found this exploration of AI agents and their potential to revolutionize the software landscape insightful, consider subscribing to our channel.
Yeah, I love it. I mean, I'm gonna make sure y'all know that consider subscribing to the channel. AI is you are yourself an AI and teaching us. Shame we what the fuck I'm in LMFAO. Just reviewed. Thank you. Alright. I mean, hey, look, you're not gonna get the best comments from everyone, but basically, I just wanted to explain the misconception with AI agents. That's why I tackled this video specifically, because most people like to conjoin AI and the RPA process, and that's really two different things that you guys should in itself do research on. But nonetheless, if you have any questions, like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.